Balloon box. Okay, so these are the 2 items that I bought. Ito, nakipagpadayan pa ako. Una, wala siya sa, nawala sa cart ko. Tapos, nung mag-check out na ako, bumalik ulit. Tapos, dapat originally, dalawang Hello Kitty 50th anniversary yung i-check out ko. Kaso, biglang nawala yung isa. So, isa na lang. Tapos, eto, sitting on the shelf na walang gustong bumili. So, kinuha ko na dito. So, ito hindi na blind box. Ano siya, specifically, ito na yung makukuha ko. So, unbox natin. And, kung gusto nyo mapanood sa TikTok ko, follow nyo ako sa TikTok. So, these are what I got. Kuromi. And, anik-anik. Or borloloy to be, correct term. Peach Riot. Ay, laki niya. Tsaka medyo mabigat. Metal. Peach Riot. So, yeah. Bagay yan sa Beyond the Vines ko. So, pretty. And then, ito din, pretty. Ang secret dito is si Hello Kitty. Hindi natin nakuha. Ito nakuha natin. Si Kuromi. So, yan. Yan ang ating nakuha for today's video.
Yes, po. Talang Arcanding. Basta na kayo nasa likod.
Talang Arcanding.
Basta tama. Ayan. Ayan. Pinanatin. Ayun lang, ipilit nyo po yung hulog. Ayan, pinanatin. Alright, ready? And hands up, ready? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Ay, tahimikin mo. Patahimikin mo muna.
Shot po. Yung kliyente po.
No. The vast majority, no.
Today, may mango yogurt. When watching Netflix.
It's like a double evil.
And my mini audience.
Not only are you not doing what you said you were going to do, but you're also, they asked us to keep the meeting secret.
The ice
You were
cream.
very aggressive. It was really, it was like, what's going on?
Yeah! Yay! Thank you, thank you. Ang aking YouTuber dream! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo, 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 woo!
I'm looking to make friends.
Ang ibibig na naglalaro lang kami. Okay, so ito ang aking nabili. And ito. Cute, di ba? Ganda yarn. And yarn. Yan. Stickers lang and shirt. Sana dito sa tote bag. Yung isa pang gift ko and then yung isa is mine.